This is a young river. It is located in a mountain or steep slopes.
In the river table, the river appears to be straight with no meanders because in real life, young rivers go straight down the mountain.
The water of the river is very rough and it has a V-shaped valley.
It has a small volume and a narrow floodplain.
The path of the river is very straight and has the least amount of discharge.
A real-life example of the young river would be the Colorado River. The sinuosity of a young river is 1 because we did 192 divided by 192 because it is a straight river. This is a mature river and included in it are meanders. This river has a moderate slope.
It has a flat bottom V and is between smooth and rough stream.
This river has a few rapids and the floodplain of this river varies between narrow and wide.
The shape of the river has little meanders but still straight and has a little amount of discharge.
A real-life example of the mature river is the Missouri River.
The sinuosity of a mature river is 1.896 because we did 347 divided by 183.
This is an old river. These rivers are located on flat land.
The old river has big meanders and form oxbow lakes. This river has a very gentle slope and is very wide and deep.
The old river has a huge volume with a very flattened V-shaped valley, also very gently sloped.
Old rivers have very smooth channels with mud covering the bottoms.
The shape of the river is very windy because of the meanders and has a lot of discharge.
A real-life example of an old river is the Mississippi River.
The sinuosity of an old river is 1.948 because we did 363 divided by 176.
An oxbow lake is formed when a river creates a meander due to the river eroding the bank. And after a long period of time, the meander becomes very curved and the neck of the meander becomes narrower and the river cuts through the neck during a flood, cutting off the meander and forming an oxbow lake. A delta is an accumulation of sediment where a stream enters a larger body of water like a lake or ocean. When a stream enters slow-moving water, its velocity drops, and as a result, the stream deposits sediment and forms a delta.
In any river, there is water velocity. Water velocity is distance that water travels at a certain speed. In a river, there is a faster and slower flow to the way the water moves. The sides to the river flow slower. The reason behind it is because the water rubs against the mud and land on the side, causing friction. The amount of friction is caused by the shape, size, and roughness of the channel. The center of the channel is where friction is lowest. The center channel, meaning the middle of the river, is the fastest water velocity because there is no friction. The river will want to flow straight in the center, causing this to be the fastest part of the channel.